our gal time, we're talking about kids' birthday party favors. I absolutely hate having to deal with the goodie bags.
When did this all start? When I was a kid, you didn't get
anything.
No, you go to a birthday party for the cake. That's all you get.
One parent is writing that she is so sick and tired of these whole party favors because it's like every parent is trying to one-up each other and give the best goodie bag. But why do we have to give a goodie bag anyway? There was an informal survey, and most parents hate giving out the goodie bags, but they feel some sort of obligation. I think it may be because kids expect them, and so they say, well, we don't want anyone to feel left out.
I think kids' birthday parties are too lavish these days anyway. I mean, you look at some of the ones that they show on television. Granted, they are on television, but still, my goodness, I don't spend that much for my birthday parties now, and I like to go all out with my friends. What happened to pin the tail on the donkey and celebrating with cake and ice cream?
Not happening, not happening.
Ridiculous.
Say what? A $400 bounce house?
$400 bounce house now. That's
exactly,
what it is.
exactly.
Insane.
So this is what you're saying. Parents should unite and stop the goodie bags altogether. Samantha emailed us and says, party favors may be the bane of my existence. Am I just too cheap to spend $100 on bags full of crap? Yes, I am.
Delia, I do feel like it's nice for guests to be able to take something home when they brought a present for the birthday boy or girl, so I'm split on this one.
Anna says, I prefer the birthday parties where my child doesn't come home with any loot because we have enough toys at our house. The gift bags are usually filled with either cheap toys or candy. Neither one is a good option.
So tell us, are party favors necessary? We want to hear from you. What corner are you in on this topic?
I said, all right, you got to clean up the house, whatever you find.
You get to keep it.
Yeah.
One of our producers asked us to bring in party favors. I was like, I don't have any because I throw them away just like the crap in the kids' meal. Throw them away. I don't do it. Andy, you the same thing, right?
Yeah, I'm not for these things. I think people just do it because they feel like they have to.